I forgot.
She's rescuing things, Terry.
Yeah, I see that.
She took it.
She took it.
What'd she take, do you think? A stick? Here she comes again.
Looks like.
She comes again.
Look, a snail shell.
Okay.
The snail shell. What did she take?
I don't know.
Another little
A
stick.
stick or something.
She's rescuing them from the compost.
She likes chasing the bugs in there too.
Yes. Oh, it's got to work, but not to wear. Oh, but not to work, but not to get. Keep your away from it.